So when I started off, I would just follow tutorials as most beginners do, just from start to end and make like little small games following the tutorial exactly. Then I would join game jams and kind of try to figure stuff out on my own. And of course, Google. I still Google all the time. Everything I do is Googling. I forget everything. I just Google it. So I would Google with game jams, and I kind of like a more hands-on approach. I found that where I just throw myself into a complicated thing and I have to figure it out from scratch. That's just how I learned the best. So over time, I started reading more documentation, which is very useful and could save you hours if you just read one little page instead of trying to find a solution for 4 hours on your own. But I always use documentation nowadays. And I barely actually watch tutorials. Sometimes I watch tutorials for specific, but I just use written content now. I just found that it's faster for me. And for tutorials, I put it on 2 times the speed. If I
Yes, that
watch
is
one.
such a
So
good tip.
I just want the information and I just want it fast.
Yes. Yep.
So yeah, that's why I try to get to the point in my videos.
Yeah.
I want to waste